So we got a call for a Chevy Silverado that's stuck in the sand out to Sound Hollow. We're gonna head out there and see if we can get him out. We got Ed with us today.
Yeah, it's a little windy here. We'll go out and find him.
Oh, I see him down there. He is stuck. We'll get him out of there though.
Not with that other one.
Okay.
Is it four-wheel drive? Or?
No.
Oh, all right. Just put it in gear and give it a little gas.
Yeah. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, just make sure not to overrun me. Well, that's Ed's first recovery.
Where's that sand blasted out here?
Driving like Ed.
Yeah.
Got a fire going.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, we got there. We got him found easy enough and got him pulled out. Wasn't too big of a deal. What do you have to say, Ed?
Well, Matt said I had a heavy foot. I couldn't tell how much the wheels were spinning, but got it out.